And welcome back to Primetime News.
And a very special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
We begin this evening with more details about the mass shooting which rocked back Pasture's Cudger Hill, St. Catherine on Wednesday. Residents of the rural community are on edge as they try to make sense of the brazen gun attack which left 1 dead and 7 injured.
And even as the security forces beef up their presence in the area, residents are fearful the attack could be the spark for never-before-seen hostilities in the farming community. Krista Campbell visited the area today and has more in this report.
Police keeping guard at the funeral for the grandmother of reggae artist Chris Martin in back Pasture St. Catherine on Thursday. The memorial went ahead without any major incident, a stark contrast to the mayhem hours before when gunmen opened fire at the wake. In total, 8 persons were shot, 1 fatally. Back at the house of the 34-year-old farmer killed in the gun attack, a pall of gloom as family members question why he was killed. His common-law wife says she was at home when shots rang out after 12:30 Tuesday morning in the usually quiet and peaceful rural community.
When I ring my cousin, he answered and he said, "A peer shot a fire up here." And right now, one of them is stuck in the lane. I cut off the phone and I ring him back because I said, "People, because I panic now, so I ring back him." And I say, "Yeah, one lady get shot and a little girl get shot." So same time I say, "Alright, I go call my baby father." So when me ring him now, he just answered the phone and he said, "Baby, a peer gunshot a fire, but me I go come down now."
She says her phone died and she could not get it to turn back on. In the midst of the pandemonium which broke out after the shooting in that lane where the wake was being held, we're told O'Neill Spencer tried to make his way home on the main road in that direction. Sadly, he did not make it as his lifeless body was found with gunshot wounds on this very road not far from where I'm standing.
When I reached out here, that was the last set of shot that was fired, and that was when they were killing him.
She notes Mr. Spencer was with the family members heading home when he was killed.
You never expect that somebody would, lay with them on the road and come out, jump out of the bush and shoot him like that.
And to run in the bush for cover. While he had a little cousin, he said that he lied down on the road.
So that makes you believe that he was the target of it?
Yes, he was the target.
But the family maintains O'Neill Spencer was not involved in any wrongdoing, despite the police insisting he was on their radar sometime before. His common-law wife admitted he had been charged for a small quantity of weed once.
He was like all the time saying, "Everything at Marco Josie, let me get the blue." All the time, whether me did it or me did it, but everything will take place, I have to name them call panting.
We were saying that he should not have walked come on, but he's a person like this. He always say, "I'm no man, I nothing. I'm in trouble people, so I'm supposed to can go anywhere and walk anytime."
Now, as police put a lid on entertainment events in the area for the time being and keep a close watch, many residents are afraid of more attacks. Meanwhile, Shanika Mackenzie notes the murder of the only breadwinner for her and her 4 kids aged 13, 8, 6, and 10 months just before the new school year begins makes it that much harder.
He was in a round robin thing, bingo thing, round robin, and his one was the first. It's supposed to be the 1st of September. And we were planning after it's finished to go and do back to school shopping for the kids.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.